Welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple and fast way to convert your Abacus models into fully parametric Python scripts. It's quick, easy, and requires no complicated coding. So, let's get started. Let's start with a very simple example in Abacus. We'll create a basic beam and then convert our model into a fully parametric script. First, in the part module, we create a three-dimensional, deformable, solid part using extrusion. We sketch a simple rectangle starting from 0, 0 and ending at 2, 1. Then, we extrude it to a length of 10. Next, in the property module, we define a material for steel. For the elastic properties, we enter a Young's modulus of 200 gigapascals and a Poisson's ratio of 0.3. Then, we create a section and assign it to the beam. After that, we insert the part into the assembly module. Finally, in the step module, we create a static linear perturbation step, and that's it. We'll save the model at this point and turn everything we've created so far into a fully parametric script. But before we continue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Now, let's take a look at the folder where we saved the model. You can see the CAE file, and right next to it, there is another file with the same name, but with the JNL extension. This JNL file contains the commands used to create our model. We can open it using a code editor or a Python editor. At the beginning of the file, you can see that all the required modules are imported. We don't need to change this part, so we can simply leave it as it is. Then, from this line, we can see that this section creates the sketch. Now, let's make the main parameters of our model easy to control. At the beginning of the code, we define the beam width as W, the beam height as H, and the beam length as D. We can also make the material properties parametric. So, let's define the Young's modulus and Poisson's ratio as parameters too. Now, we simply replace the original values in the code with our new parameters. We want to draw a rectangle from 0, 0 to WH, so we replace the original dimensions with W and H. Then, we replace the extrusion length with D. And here, in the material definition, we insert our Young's modulus and Poisson's ratio parameters. The following commands select the part and assign the material and section to it. By the way, I don't really recommend this particular method for selecting geometry. You can find better and more reliable methods in our other videos. And finally, this command creates our analysis step. The last line is not necessary, so we can remove it. Now, let's change some of the model parameters and create a completely new beam. We can change the width, height, length, or even the material properties. Now, save the file. You can also save it with an RPY extension. And that's it. Whenever you want to create a new model, just change the parameters, run the script in Abacus, and your new model will be created automatically. Fast, simple, and fully parametric. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out our website for more Abacus tutorials, scripts, plugins, and engineering tools. See you in the next video.